Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do my Gel X nails, gel manicure. I've never done this before, so we're going to see how it turns out. I have been doing my gel manicure on my natural nails, but I want something a little longer and my nails always break. So we're going to be applying Gel X nails today and then doing a gel manicure over the acrylic nails. So let's do it. So everything that I have purchased for my nails is from Amazon, and I'll link it all below in the description box so you guys can shop it if you want to. But I don't have like a ton of stuff, but what I have works well. So let's get started. I've already cut and shaped my nails a bit with the nail file. I have just your regular nail clippers and then shaped them with the nail file. I have all the Gel X nails in different colors, different sizes. Definitely not colors, different sizes. So I'm going to sort them out and see which fit to my nails. This is really weird. I seem to be missing size 5 of yours. Yeah, and I should tell you, I also already pushed back and trimmed my cuticles. So I use this little device here and just push back. And then this is what I use to trim my cuticle. Okay, so I've decided I'm gonna go with the larger size because it seems to fit over my nail better. Like the shape is better and matches more with my natural nail. And the reason I think that's important, because if not, then it's gonna pull your nail up. And I've experienced that before, just putting press-ons and like pushing them on probably too hard, but then it's very uncomfortable, and it actually pulled my natural nail up. Like I had to take Advil. It was bad. Beauty should not be pain. I think as you do this, you get faster at it and know which number to associate with which finger, and you can just pull it out. But I've never done this before, so gonna take a little extra time. Okay, I have all the nails laid out. I am going to make a note in my phone for which number to associate with which finger so that when I do this next time, it's super fast. So now I am going to use my drill bit and file just the back of the nail here where I'm going to put the glue. Just file right here. Rough it up so that they stay on longer. That's what I heard helps make the glue stay on longer. So we're gonna try it. This is the nail drill that I have. I also use this to remove the gel from my natural nails. Carefully without actually getting to the nail, but just kind of like the top layer. Makes it easier to get the rest off. So I'll link this below too. So you can see that I just did the part. I drilled the part where the nail is going to connect. The fake nail will connect to my natural nail with the glue, just so it's a little rough on the inside and hopefully sticks better. So now I'm going to just wash off my hands, make sure there's no dust on my natural nail. Okay, so now we are going to glue on the falsies. I have this, me saying falsies made them sound like eyelashes. Definitely not that. This Beetles nail glue, which came with the whole kit. So we're just going to start with, I think the pointer finger is probably easier to start with rather than like the thumb. So I'm going to do that. And then cure it in this little UV lamp. My outlet's over here, so it's going to be off camera. I'm just putting a little bit. I don't want it to spill over the edges. And then I'm going to lightly press it on my finger. Okay, that didn't go terribly. First one's on. Let's move on to the next. One hand done. What I'm learning as I do this is you don't want too much glue. You don't need a lot for it to stick, but you want enough in between the fake nail and your real nail so that you can easily lightly press without there being bubbles. You don't want to have to push down hard to get the bubbles out. So just enough glue, which is a little bit challenging because you also don't want it to spill over the sides of your nails. All right, let's do the other hand, which probably should have done the right side first, because now I have these massive nails on and it's going to be harder. Learn from my mistakes. Why you keeping me waiting? All I just realized I didn't really read the directions. Seems like I'm doing it right, so. The easiest way I've found to press these on is start near your cuticle. Okay, they're all on both hands now, but for me, these are too long. Obviously, it's your preference, but I am going to cut them all and file them down. Okay, I basically just cut off the numbers, because like on the tip of the nail, they have the number for the size. So I cut a little bit past that, and I'm going to file into a rounder shape because I don't like this coffin shape personally. Okay, I got them to the shape that I want, so now I am going to paint them and use this larger lamp to cure the nail polish. I have this gel-in selected 10 colors, and then I also have some gel nail polish from Beetles. So these are the colors that I am going to use. I'm going to do each nail a different color, but they're all neutral colors and all from gel-in gel nail polish. So here are the colors that I am using for each nail: 220, 221, 119, 154, and 45. And then we have the top coat, of course. I'm just curing the first layer. It's gonna need at least 2 layers, maybe 3. Okay, I put on the color. Now it is time for the top coat on one hand. I haven't done this hand yet, but I did do 2 coats of color, 3 on the lighter one, and then doing the top coat as well. When I'm done painting my nails, always put on some cuticle cream or oil. Helps the nails to grow nice and strong. All done. This is how it turned out. Pretty excited. Here's the other hand, which actually turned out better, surprisingly, even though I'm right-handed. For my first time doing Gel X nails, I feel like this went really well. No mishaps, you know, they're all on a straight, right length, look good. Definitely going to do this again. I was reading up on it a little bit as I was doing this, and I think the one thing to be careful of is air bubbles. I think that's the hardest part, honestly. Painting the nails is easy, but pressing them on and having them go on smoothly without air bubbles is a little challenging to get the right amount of glue. So just be careful of that, because if you do have air bubbles, then water and bacteria can get in between your natural nail and the false nail, and obviously that's not good. But yeah, hope you guys really like this video, and be sure to subscribe so you can come back for future videos. I'll see you next week. This seemed like the easiest place to film. So I find that I'm like doing DIYs for you guys and I'm always sitting on the floor, but that's just sort of how I roll.